Talofa. Hi, I'm Lucky.
Hi, I'm Lonnie. Let's learn how to ask and answer the question. What is your name? I'm going to ask Lucky this question, and he will show us how to reply with different names.
Sure. Go ahead, Lonnie.
Lucky, how do you ask, what is your name in Samoan?
Oi lo ingoa. What is your name?
Can you say that again slowly, please?
O y lo ingoa. What is your name?
That's great. Thanks for that. Okay. What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Lucky. My name is Lucky.
What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Angela. My name is Angela.
What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Chester. My name is Chester.
What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Winton. My name is Winton.
What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Sione. My name is Sione.
What is your name?
Oi lo ingoa. O lo ingoa o Tim. My name is Tim.
Let's try another question. How do you ask, what's your mother's name?
Oi le ingoa a lo tina.
And how do we answer that?
O le ingoa a la tina o Leti.
Again, slowly, please.
O le ingoa a la tina o Leti.
How do you ask, what's your father's name?
Oi le ingoa a lo tama.
And how do we answer that?
O lo tama o Peter. My father is Peter.
Again, slowly, please.
O lo tama o Peter. My father is Peter.
Wow, that was awesome! Well done, Lucky. Now you know how to ask and answer the question, what's your name? You can practice that today. Try asking your friends and family this question and have them ask you so you can learn to answer it too. Good luck!
See you again soon. Tofa. Bye.